There's a psychological reason this keeps happening, not because you're broken, not because you lack discipline,
But because your brain is following patterns it learned long before you were aware of them.
Today, we're going to slow one of those patterns down. You now understand why loss feels heavier than gain. But knowing this doesn't automatically inspire action. The grip of our instincts often keeps us from moving forward. That's because loss aversion is only the first layer. Beneath that layer lies a deeper force, one that often goes unnoticed. This is comfort bias, where the brain clings to what it knows, even at the expense of growth. Not because comfort is good, but because it's predictable. Your brain treats familiarity as safety, even when it's uncomfortable. That's why people stay in situations they don't like. That's why routines repeat. That's why change feels unnecessary until it feels urgent. Once loss aversion signals risk, comfort bias steps in and offers relief. It says, "At least this is known." It whispers, "This is what you know." But this sense of relief is misleading. It's not a choice for growth. It's your brain managing the discomfort of uncertainty. Avoidance doesn't usually look like fear. It looks like waiting. It looks like preparing. It looks like thinking. I'll start when things calm down. Thoughts like, "I need to prepare more," or "I'm not ready yet," may sound logical, but they all serve the same purpose, to postpone facing what truly unsettles us. That delay feels safe because nothing changes. And when nothing changes, nothing can be lost. This is why awareness alone sometimes feels frustrating. You see the pattern, you understand the bias, and yet the behavior repeats. Because the brain doesn't change through understanding alone. Change begins when we challenge our assumptions. Instead of asking, "Why am I avoiding this?" try diving deeper with a more revealing question. Ask yourself, what do I gain from holding on? Is it the comfort of the routine, the safety of familiarity, or the fear of the unknown? Once you've named it, ask yourself, is this familiarity a shield or a shackle? This pivotal question unveils the truth behind your comfort zone. Clarity reveals your choices. It's not about forcing change, but recognizing when familiarity becomes a barrier, allowing you to reclaim your path to growth. In this moment of clarity, you unlock the potential to choose differently. That's the first step towards change, setting the stage for deeper understanding and growth. If this helped you understand your mind a little more clearly, subscribe. This channel breaks down the psychology behind habits, behavior, and decision-making without hype and without shortcuts. New explanations like this are posted regularly. Awareness is the first interruption.